So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my little Sunday night routine, aka also my repair damaged hair routine. Because you know what? You know how in my prevent heat damage whatever video, no, straight to curly back reverting video, and I was like, I don't even have that much damage. Turns out I have a lot of damage. Not like a lot, but I do actually have like some stringy hair pieces. My hair has a lot of breakage. It needs another trim, which is why I'm gonna trim it in the video coming soon. And then it's just like I can't even comb through it. I'll come through it, and then once I finally get through it, it's literally like tangled again. So that's how you know you need a trim. So enjoy the video. Alright guys, first things first, you know the dealio. Gotta shampoo and get rid of all that product buildup and grease. And I mostly, when I shampoo, you should focus on the scalp because that's where all the heavy oils lie. And then when you rinse it out, the rest will follow throughout your hair. Next is to condition, and you want to put a lot in your hair, but I do not recommend that conditioner because I don't know, it was kind of dry for my hair. But yeah, about, you know, that's how much I use. I think about every curly girl does. Douse it so you can get all the moisture you can, and make sure you get all the sections. Now the most crucial part of all, deep conditioning time. I got the 3-minute miracle 3 times the strength because your girl needs it. So, but yeah, you see I put a little bit much. You know, distribute it evenly throughout your hair and do not wash it out. Now is about the time that you should start trying to finger detangle or brush through your hair. It was super difficult for me because my hair was damaged, but try. And then when you see here, I'm showing you all the breakage that came out of my hair due to how damaged it was. This is why you need to trim your hair. Alright guys, so out of the shower, I'm gonna take off these reflective glasses. Anyway, so out the shower, and my hair is just, yeah, that's what it is. I guess one side is drier than the other, but we're gonna fix. Look at this! I look like a sock. Let's just get to snipping so we can deep condition this hair. Yeah, agreed? Agreed. Well, wow. Okay, let's just get to it. Alright guys, please ignore the fact that I look like a complete ghost. That reason is because my lighting is crazy, I promise. This is unacceptable. Why do I look this pale? I look like Casper. It's a little better. So now my hair is chopped a little bit, mini chop, because I definitely went a little bit more than a trim. And I'm gonna be putting the Cocoa Repair in my hair along with the Aussie 10 times 3 Minute Miracle Moisture. And on top of that, I am going to, I lost it, but I'm going to use a heat cap and heat it up for 2 minutes, put a plastic bag over my head, and let it, you know, insert word. Is the Cocoa Repair. Had to re-soak my hair because it just dried up, you know? I'm gonna put a lot, that much. Doubling up on deep conditioner. Driest part of my hair would be the front, the back, and the ends. So just rub that in. Oh yeah. I look like Captain Underpants. My curls feel way healthier. I'm gonna rub it through my scalp. Now I'm gonna put the 3 minute strong 10 times miracle. This hair needs a miracle. And yeah, that looked like poop. Alright guys, I'm gonna put this here, mostly massage it through my scalp. So now that my hair is conditioned enough, which I think it is, we're gonna get, I usually use processing caps, but I lost them, so I'm gonna use a plastic bag. It's out the oven and it burns. Time to put it over your head and let it sit for 30 minutes.
We'll talk about that later. It's on the 20mm. Then with the smoke is the.
Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes. Ah! Feels so good to take my hair out that cap. Wow. How does my hair feel? It feels very soft. Wow. Feels like victory is mine. That's what it feels like. Oh, it feels amazing. That was so worth it. It was so worth it. My breakage is still a little, I mean, like, it's really nothing. But just gotta deep condition my hair all the time and make sure it's not shedding. I'm actually gonna start taking biotin pills so it can grow stronger because my hair, I don't know if it's the weather because it's been like 30 degrees in Florida, but yeah. So right now, the last step I'm gonna do is simply just add this coconut oil onto my ends, and I'm gonna make sure I sleep with the satin bonnet tonight because I've been slacking on like protecting my hair before I go to sleep, so that's probably why a lot of the breakage is too. So yeah, great results though. Take care of your curly hair, ladies, and it will take care of you. And what I mean by that is it will allow you to take care of it. But yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.